Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, we're going to show you how you can search for a specific terminal fee if ever you need that. So quite often you will have a specific customer, they want to go somewhere. And they will ask you, do I need to pay any terminal fee if I enter that airport? Well, how can you answer that question without spending too much time online? Well, very easy. You just go to the tools here, and in the tools you can search here for any airport that you want. You can see here every airport there is, and you can see every one of them if ever they have international or local. So maybe you're looking for Laoag. You can see here Laoag Airport, and they have an international and local terminal fee. A local terminal fee of 200 peso and international 700 pesos. So it's very easy to use this tool, and you can search for anything. So Calibo, very famous one. Clark, you can see here Caticlan as well. Caticlan here, and anything else. So this is a very easy tool to help you serve your customers even better. So if you're interested in CouponBet and you want to organize your travel agency as well, just register now. Go to couponbet.com and register for free. No extra charges, nothing at all.